critical levels for Onyxcoin. No, not the Pokemon. That's right. Onyxcoin has pumped 757% here in the last month, over 1,354% in the last year. And the grand majority of this pump all occurred in the month of January, currently down 27.2% on the week. What are the next critical levels to the downside and to the upside for Onyxcoin and everybody's interest? This has been requested by one of the members of the Crypto Citadel, so I'm bringing it to you. But first, I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Let's get right into it, guys. All right, as you guys can see here, the month of January, about around January 15th, had a massive explosive price action all the way from Onyxcoin being less than a penny, taking it all the way up to 0.049, almost 5 cents in total, pumping massive of hundreds and hundreds of percent. And now we're having a pullback. We've already pulled back around 50% from the very top here. If we measure it out from this very tip top to where we're at currently as of today, we're down 53%. So what are some critical levels to the downside? On February 3rd, when we dropped down and had this massive liquidity grab down here, we came back perfectly to the overall macro gold pocket from this low to this high, hitting 0.018 and filling in. So if you got there, that was a perfect entry point in my personal opinion. Now, is there a target down below? Yes, obviously, if the market continues to drop, if Bitcoin continues to pull back, XCN can definitely has a target for January down at 0.012, which is the monthly naked point of control, which is another about 40 to 50% drop from where we're at right now. It's another 43 to 44% drop from current price right now. I'm not expecting this unless we do have a massive pullback for Bitcoin and overall not have the altcoin rally that we are expecting here for the month of February and March. That being said, this coin has pumped over 700% in the last month alone, over 1,000% in literally a little bit more than a month. So can we pull another 50%? Sure, anything's possible. But the critical levels, I'm not so focused on this level right here, right? This gold pocket has already been tapped, is no longer relevant. But I am very focused on XCN getting back above the previous week range, right? Getting inside that previous week range at 0.026 would put us to have a target of 0.3, which is the naked point of control to the upside. From where we're at right now, that would be a total move of about, let me see here, about 35% move to the upside to get to this weekly target. Above that week, we have another weekly target at 0.034 and an overall gold pocket of 0.038 from this top to this bottom. That's where this gold pocket comes from. Now, obviously, if we get to these levels up here, there is not a lot of volume at all at these high levels. And that would be a total move from where we're at today to that gold pocket to the upside of about 68% to the upside. If we get those levels showing a lot of strength here in the next altcoin rally, obviously not a lot of volume. This all-time high is going to be the next major target. Overall, now looking for entry points, I don't have exposure to this asset right now. If I wanted some exposure to this asset, I would be looking for somewhere around this area of this gold pocket down here. Right now, it's not a terrible entry, right? But the fact that we're back within the month of November, the month of January's range, right, does make this a major overall target of 0.0125. That, like I said, it is a 40 to 50% pullback from where we are right now, which is a very heavy, steep pullback. So honestly, I'm just looking for anything below this gold pocket here to be a decent sized entry. If I would be entering here right now, I would have to personally be aware that we could be facing this drop down, and I will have to be willing to dollar cost average the asset down. We do have targets to the upside, which I am very looking forward to in the next altcoin rally. But if you are entering here, obviously never financial advice, just what I would be doing. If I were to buy today right now at this price point, because we've already pulled back around 40 to 50%, right? About 53%, I would be looking for a dollar cost averaging position, knowing that it might continue dropping and I will be needing to dollar cost average more before moving back up. That is something that I have to be risk management wise, be very aware of, right? So overall, XCN has had a very explosive rally. Obviously, very steep pullback with such an explosive rally. Would not be surprised if we continue to pull back until we have the next altcoin rally. And that's all going to be very dependent on Bitcoin. When Bitcoin starts rallying and hitting new all-time highs, starts ranging sideways, and that dominance drops, that's when the next altcoin season is going to happen. And I do believe there is a time frame between February and the end of March for this next altcoin season to occur. So if you are taking positions, make sure you're aware of that. Make sure you're doing your own diligence and your own research. And guys, I hope to see all of you guys in the Crypto Citadel. Link is down below. Join the Crypto Citadel, less than $1 a day. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. And those are the critical levels for Onyx Coin, not the Pokemon. See ya.